It's a great pleasure to be here with you. Today I'm going to present my demonstration lesson, and this lesson is called The Effective Ways of Teaching English. Here, as we know, as we are all experienced teachers, and you know, variety of methods of teaching. But here I'd like to present some methods that can be very useful if you use in your lesson. So, Zara, before going deeper into theories and methods, I'd like to give you a brief activity in order to make our lesson a bit interesting, okay? I got one fun question. If English were a person, what kind of person would it be? What do you think? If English were a person, what kind of person would it be? What do you think, Mr.
Very boring person.
Very boring? Really? Thank you, thank you. What about you? What do you think?
I think he will be very happy.
Why he is
Happy person.
Maybe she.
Excellent. Maybe she, yeah, we don't know. Okay. And imagine, please, it's a person. What do you think? What kind of person would it be? Can you tell me? Yeah.
Can you repeat your question, please?
If English were a person, what kind of person would it be?
He must be, or she must be, I think, she will be maybe a very optimistic person.
Optimistic person. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Mr. Shafkat, what do you think? Do you have any kind of opinion about this?
Maybe some strict with some rules, because it is just very not so easy language. And I mean, the society of Englishmen, I have been in England, they don't, how to say, meet you with, they are not hospitable like us. I imagine it to be strict, responsible.
Strict, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for your answer.
Maybe
Now,
strict.
before going deeper, now I have one activity as well. It is just like a quick brainstorming race. So, please, now I'll distribute these letters for the small groups. Let it be you. All of you will be one group, okay? And it's for you, my dear teacher. And it's for you.
Thank you.
Just try to work in a small group.
What shall we do?
Who wants to be?
What are we going to do with it? Giving instructions.
Okay.
What shall we do with it?
So, please write down as many effective teaching methods as you think of within 2 minutes. Okay? Just try to think of, I know that you use a lot of methods in your lessons, right? Just try to remember some of them and write down quickly. You will be given only 1 minute for writing these methods. Which group can write more effective methods? You have only 1 minute, my dears. It can be total physical response, for example, team group. Seconds left.
Keep your English, don't speak Japanese. You have an idea?
Yeah.
We have finished the first.
Okay. Thank you, all of you. Time is up. Time is up. Thank you. Should we write anything? Like
You, Jasmine. I have forgotten about TTT.
Okay, please. Thank you so much. This is fourth group, this one second, and this is fourth group. Now, first, Chris. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's enough. So, here, the first group wrote direct method, classroom, brainstorming, grammar, translation, total physical response, yeah, silent way, and audio lingual. Thank you. Very, very useful, effective ways of teaching English. And here, more than 10. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ways of teaching. Thank you so much. And our next group, pictorial representation, involvement of students, group activities, not use of AI, right? Thank you. 4 effective ways of teaching English. And our last group is audiolingual method, direct method, CPR, right? Thank you. And
where's the winners?
yeah, first group is winner because they wrote more than 9 ways of teaching English and 3. So thank you for your participation, all of you. And as you can see, each of us has already have valuable experience and creative ideas about this theme. But I hope I want to build on how can I say, build on that experience by exploring some practical and research-based strategies in my demonstration lesson. Okay, please pay attention to the screen. Methods used. PPP, presentation, practice, production.
Yes.
As I know you know about this, total physical response.
Yes.
Total physical response, guided discovery, task, teach, test. Now I will give definition about this method. Communicative approach. In communicative approach, while using, for example, communicative approach in our lessons, for example, what can you do in your lessons if you use communicative approach?
It is mostly we use oral English.
Mm-hmm.
It depends on mostly listening, just speaking, just some activities based with the speaking. Yes.
You are totally right. By using this approach, we can improve our students' speaking skill, right?
Yeah.
Okay, learners interact with each other, emphasis on completing tasks, teacher provides feedback. Of course, at the end of all speaking, communication, of course, teachers will give feedback, right?
Yes.
And next, communicative approach. For example, I'll just try to give example for this approach. Talk to different people and find out name, job, what interest. There is an info gap. Here, you talk to different people. In class, in group, students can talk to each other in a team, for example, or they can just talk with their friends, right?
Yeah.
They can just interact with each other and can discuss about any kind of topic. So, lexical approach. What is lexical approach?
It is lexic. It's taken from the word. It's based on the using words.
It is clear that lexical approach it means you can enhance your students' vocabulary, right?
Yeah.
By
Enriching
using this
vocabulary.
kind of approach. Language isn't divided into grammar and vocabulary. It consists of chunks.
Yes.
More attention to lexis, listening, and reading, L1, L2 comparisons, right? Of course, especially for beginners or intermediate level, of teachers try to use L1 at the same time L2 as well in order to be comprehensible. So, less attention to sentence grammar, talking, and field 2 for sake of it. And next one, I try to give example here. I get up at 7 a.m. I wash my face and then get dressed. After that, I have breakfast and read the newspaper. So here students can find uncommon, unfamiliar words from this text. Task-based approach. Task-based approach, as you know, in our lessons, we try to give tasks to our students in order to make our lessons more interesting, in order to avoid dull atmosphere. So, focus on students doing a task-based. Students use language for a particular outcome, and real-life language, meaning is important. Students generate language and get feedback.
Okay.
For accuracy, of course. So next one, here example. Here example. So I think it's not so important. What do you think? What is blended learning approach?
Well,
Blended. Yeah.
just blended learning. It is just you combine some methods together, having one.
Yeah.
It can be online and face to face.
Face to face,
Like
yeah.
this.
It can be face to face communication or computer based. So it can be computer based. As you know, in multi-level, for example, in IELTS certification, we have paper based and computer based exams, right? This is kind of blended learning approach. And my last approach is total physical response. Total physical response, what is this? Do you have any kind of information about this approach?
Includes like some actions,
Gestures, actions, right? It is, total physical response is very useful for students because in order to make more effective, your lessons will be more effective when you do this total physical response. Students are exposed to language before they are expected to produce it. Students learn language through listening and responding. So, in total physical response, here example, teacher asks students to put objects in different places to teach, reinforce, and prepositions. For example, prepositions of place. Just try to put your object anywhere you want. They just try to put their objects anywhere, and they have to talk about the prepositions of place, for example. Thank you for your attention, my dear teachers, and it was the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed and it was some kind of maybe beneficial or interesting for you. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Okay, now I'll give